Let's learn 20 questions using the modal can. Can you speak in English? Yes, I can. Can you draw? Yes, I can. Can you sing? No, I can't. Can you cook? Yes, I can. Can you drive? No, I can't. Can you tell funny jokes? No, I can't. Can you make a sound like a bird? No, I can't. Can you say hello in other languages? No, I can't. Can you swim? No, I can't. Can you jump? Yes, I can. Can you act? No, I can't. Can you make a paper kite? No, I can't. Can you motivate others? Yes, I can. Can you play cricket? No, I can't. Can you type? Yes, I can. Can you laugh loudly? Yes, I can. Can you speak Bangla? Yes, I can. Can you send an email? Yes, I can. Can you write a poem? Yes, I can.